thank you for being an early tester of the C.O.R.E app. To install the application, open the email with the testing link. This will bring you to the testing page with instructions. Click on the Download it on Google Play link. If you no longer wish to participate at any time, you can click Leave the program at the bottom. This will remove your email as well as your access to the app. From the Google Play screen that comes up, simply press the Install button. After the app downloads, you can click Open to launch it from this screen, or find it on your phone and open the app by clicking the icon. How to use C.O.R.E. Opening the app. When you open C.O.R.E for the first time, you'll see the terms of service. Be sure to read them. Generally speaking, they mention that C.O.R.E does not keep or transmit any data, nor does it make determinations of suitability about fingerprints. You can think of C.O.R.E as helpware. It's software designed to help users with decision support. Accept the terms to move on. After you've accepted the terms of service the first time, the app will open up with the camera view. This is where you capture your fingerprint image. The fingerprint should be positioned alongside a ruler or scale. The app needs this to calibrate the image to the correct resolution. At the bottom, you have three controls: the flash toggle on the left, the capture button in the center, and the settings gear on the right. Step 1. Capture. Position the fingerprint so it's well lit and in focus, with a ruler visible in the frame. The ruler can be in centimeters or inches. You'll tell the app which one in the next step. You can pinch to zoom in or out on the preview to frame the shot how you want. When the fingerprint and ruler are clearly visible, tap the capture button. Step 2. Calibrate. After capture, you'll see your image with a blue box overlay. This is the calibration step. The blue box needs to be sized to match exactly 1 unit on your ruler, either 1 centimeter or 1 inch. Use the toggle at the bottom to select centimeters or inches, then drag and resize the blue box so it spans exactly 1 unit on the ruler. This tells the app how many pixels equal 1 unit of measurement, which it uses to resample the image to 500 pixels per inch, the resolution the analysis algorithm is optimized for. Once the box is correctly sized, tap Confirm Calibration. Step 3. Select the region of interest, ROI. Next, you'll see the fingerprint image with a drawing overlay. Use your finger to paint over the area of the fingerprint you want analyzed. Draw around and over the fingerprint impression. You're telling the algorithm where to focus. If you make a mistake, tap Clear to start over. When the fingerprint area is covered, tap Continue. Step 4. View results. The results screen shows 4 views of your fingerprint, selectable with the buttons at the top. Original, the raw captured image as is. Enhanced, the image after contrast enhancement has been applied, making ridge detail more visible. Clarity, the original image with the clarity map overlaid, showing ridge quality as green, high, yellow, medium, and red, low. Impact, the original image with the impact heat map overlaid, showing how much each area contributes to the final quality score. Tapping clarity or impact a second time while already active toggles to a map-only view, no fingerprint underneath. Tapping again brings the fingerprint back. Below the image, you'll see Print Quality Assessment, a 5-point rating scale: excellent, good, fair, poor, marginal, with the current rating highlighted. Clarity Distribution, raw, adjusted, a stacked bar showing the percentage breakdown of high, medium, and low clarity areas. The solid portion represents the raw value, and the striped portion shows what was discounted by impact weighting, resulting in the adjusted value. The arrow notation shows raw percentage adjusted to weighted percentage. This can be informative in boundary cases. Technical details: resolution, scaling factor, processing method, and timestamp. Step 5. Save results. Tap Save Results to export a printable placard saved to Pictures/Core. The placard is formatted for 8.5 by 11 letter paper at 300 ppi and includes all 4 image views, the quality assessment, clarity distribution, and technical details. Tap Retake Photo to go back to the camera and start over.